Good evening, I'm Paul the Tech Giant, and tonight I want to tell you what I feel are the best things about this 2021 LG C1 OLED. Big thanks to the guys at box.co.uk for sending over this LG C1 OLED, and if you want to pick up one for yourselves, please go and check out their link in the description where they have the whole range of LG OLED TVs and many others at great prices, so please go check them out. Right, cracking on then, and the first best thing about this LG C1 OLED is the software updates, or the frequency of them. Now, this might seem a funny thing to include, but LG, all fairness to them, are very good when it comes to the support with software updates. So if there is an issue with the TV, LG are generally very fast to sort it out, and they are very good as well at adding new features, unlike other manufacturers. Moving on then, and the next best thing about this TV is the amazing picture quality. Just take a look at it. That is a stunning image. And I'm yet to see anyone who has seen one of these TVs and not been blown away with the image that they can produce. Obviously, you're not going to get the full benefits of what I'm showing you looking at it through your screen, but trust me, see one in person, you're not going to be disappointed. Next up on the best things list is that this TV has four 2.1 HDMIs that are capable of 4K 120Hz, which is great if you want to hook up something like a PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X. Next up on the list is the design and just how thin this TV really is. Now, we've got the builders in at the moment, and one of the builders came into our living room. And first thing he noticed was the TV, and well, he was literally picking his chin up off the floor when he seen how thin it is. He literally couldn't believe it, and I'm sure you won't believe it if you see it for yourself. Just take a look at that. And furthermore, if you've ever watched The In-Betweeners, the actor who plays Jay has just purchased one of these TVs, and when him and his missus got the TV out of the box, both of them were also gobsmacked how thin the TV was. He couldn't actually believe it was actually the TV. Now, what else is great about this TV is that you can connect headphones, but not just one pair of headphones, but multiple pairs of headphones. And I'm sure you don't need me to explain the advantages of being able to hook up headphones. Next up on the best things list is the inbuilt voice assistant. So, pressing down on the voice assistant button on the remote, set volume to 15.
It really is.
There you go, simple as that. And if you want to find out what else it can do, well, just simply ask. What can you do?
Here's what you can do using your voice.
So you can search for like TV programs, you can ask it to brighten up the TV screen, select a different sort of mode, change the sound modes, connect your Bluetooth control up, so on and so forth. Now, whilst we're on the subject of voice assistants, another great thing about this TV is that it has the Google Assistant. So if that is more your cup of tea, then you can use that instead. So you can search for things like it says there for the weather, the news. You can control all your sort of smart home tech and loads more. Now, continuing on with the voice assistants, another great thing about this TV is the fact that we do have the Amazon Alexa assistant built in with a shortcut on the remote. So again, if Alexa is more your thing and you want to control all your sort of gadgets and gizmos and all the other amazing things that you can do with Alexa, well, this TV has got you covered. Now, where else this TV has got you covered is when it comes to Apple, because not only does it support Apple AirPlay, but it also has the Apple TV app inbuilt. And this allows you to watch all their Apple TV Plus content and obviously download and watch movies and TV shows. Moving on to the next best thing about this TV, and it is the apps. Now, if you are from the UK, then you'll be pleased to hear that this TV does have the BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, Channel 4, and My5 app, so you are well covered there for the UK catch-up services. And yeah, we've got loads more. So we've got things like Disney Plus, Prime Video, obviously Apple TV, as I've just mentioned. And there is plenty more to download as well. So yeah, fair play, this TV has really got you covered when it comes to apps. Now, the next best thing about the LG C1 OLED is that it supports Dolby Vision IQ. So Dolby Vision is basically HDR on steroids, and the IQ bit just means that the TV can adjust its brightness and picture to suit the viewing environment. Next best thing about this TV is the perfect black levels. Just check that out. You have those perfect blacks against those really bright parts with no blooming. It just doesn't get any better than this. Next great selling point of this TV is the amazing viewing angles. So if we move round to the side, you can see for yourself that it still looks absolutely amazing. So the C1 could be a great choice for you if you're the sort of person who sits off to the side to watch their TV. Moving along now then, and the next best thing is the Magic Remote. So not only does it have these very handy shortcuts on it, but the best thing is the magic pointer. So just take a look at that. So we can just point the remote wherever we want on the screen and select stuff. So gone are the days when you've got to use the directional buttons, which you can do if you so wish. But quick shake and there you go. It's just so much faster. So let's move on and now take a look at what the best things are about this C1 OLED when it comes to gaming. Now I've got it hooked up to my Xbox Series X, and as you can see, it says this TV supports 4K UHD at 120Hz. Your TV setup supports up to native 4K at 120 frames per second. And moving down, we can see your TV supports Dolby Vision for gaming up to 4K 120Hz. So yes, as you can see, this TV has every box ticked when it comes to gaming on the Xbox Series X. Now, what else is great about this TV when it comes to gaming is the game dashboard. So just one single button press on the remote gets up our game dashboard with loads of handy information. So we've got our frames per second. We've got things said about the black stabilizer, the latency. We can go to all settings, game optimizer as well. So in here, we have got more detailed settings so we can adjust things in there. But if we move down, another great thing as well that is got to be a selling point of this TV is the fact that it supports VRR, G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium. Well, there you go then, guys. That about wraps it up. Once again, big thanks to the guys at box.co.uk for sending over the TV. And if you have enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to subscribe to the channel, I would really appreciate it. So, thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully catch you guys on next one. Bye for now.